Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you how to shop from multiple stores on Taobao, and this is going to be a step-by-step guide tutorial. So let me show you how. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure link on 1688, Taobao, Pinduoduo, or Idlefish, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, or you want me to fund a Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, using Pinduoduo, 1688 Taobao, or AliExpress, or any Chinese e-commerce app or website, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up my Taobao Chinese shopping app. So here is the app right here. So I'm going to click on it and allow it to load up. Taobao Chinese shopping app, you can have it on Android phone if you are using Android phone, but if you are using iPhone, you can also get the app downloaded successful from App Store. After you download and install everything, it takes you right here. Now, from this particular section here, there are so many ways by which you can use to source for. However, there are so many ways by which you can use to source for products on Taobao. One of the first easiest ways to come to the top right here, click on here and type the name of the product you are looking for right here. Alternatively, you can use this camera icon right here, which stands for image search. Once you are able to search for products, next thing you want to do is to add all the products you want to buy from different stores into cart. After you have successfully added the product to cart, that is where you can proceed to checkout. In this tutorial, to make everything short and straight to the point, I've already had some of the products to cart from different stores. So next thing I'm going to do is to click on my cart right here. So it's going to take us right here. Once we get here, next thing we want to do is to select as many as possible store that we want to buy from. Okay, so I'm going to buy from this store right here. I'm going to go ahead and select them one after the other. And I'll scroll down right here and I'm going to buy from this store. Then I'm buy from this store. So select them one after the other. Then I'm buying from this store. I'm buying from this store, so you can see another store right here. Then I'm buying from this store. I'm buying from this store. And I'm buying from this store. It's that simple. Next thing we want to do here is to click on here from the bottom right here. Click on here to proceed to checkout. There's going to take us right here where we can still review everything we have added to cart so far before we go ahead and make payment with any of our payment method right here. So here, I'm going to simply review and check everything right here. The more you scroll down, the more you see different products from different stores right here. So once you are able to satisfy with everything, then you will be given the total amount you are paying in USD. However, in this tutorial, I'm using Alipay. As you can see right here, there are so many means of payment on Taobao. But in this tutorial, I'm using Alipay. So what I'm going to do is to go ahead and select my Alipay right here. So having select Alipay, the payment is going to drastically change from USD to yen, just like what you see right here. Next thing we want to do here is to click on here to proceed to payment. So allow the Alipay to connect. Just like what you see right here. So here we have to enter the payment password to complete the payment right here. I'm paying the sum of 132.97 yen to purchase from all this store right here. Next thing I need to do is to enter my payment password. So once you enter your payment password, the payment is going to be successful, just like what you see right here. So next thing we want to do here is to go ahead and check on all the order on our profile. So I'm going to simply click on here now on my Alipay. Successfully done. Next thing we want to do is to click on here. And all the products we just paid for is going to be disappear right here. This is because that the payment has been successfully made. Next thing we want to do is to click on here to go to my profile. Then on my profile right here, you will see all the products right here waiting. So we are able to pay for about different 8 stores. So I'm going to click on here now. And you see everything right here. Store 1, store 2, store 3, store 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Just like so. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how to shop or ship from China using Taobao Chinese shopping app, consider to subscribe. And lastly but not the least, if you want me to procure link on 1688, Taobao, Pinduoduo, or Idlefish, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.